Okay, we made it up to the saddle here. Just before the sun breaks over the top of that hill. So we're up here before sunup. Gets dark at 5, which means right now it's probably about 6. Gives us about 10 and a half, 11 hours to go upriver. Actually, we got about an hour and a half down. And then we got about 8.5 hours upriver. So we're back in the Bear Witch / Blair Witch Canyon. Last time you saw this guy, we were up there in the snow. I was telling Gabriel, this is where we were. You can hear the voices right there. Look at that. There's no one up there. There's nowhere for them to go. The stream's 12 feet across. I heard the voices right in there. I'm hanging in my hammock. Then we heard the 2 girls speaking right on the other side of these trees. It was really weird. This is the area of the stream we were in. Now we're going to try to go back here, hopefully 8 to 10 miles. Hopefully. I don't know, it gets pretty choked off back there, and let me show you my hand. That's a scratch that a poison oak did. And from there, it comes up, and then you rub it, and then it went all the way up my arm, and then my other arm gets in your fingertips, you touch your forehead, you sweat, it just spreads. That's the worst of it there, and on my other arm I have some. It's fading out. I'm going back in the same place I caught it. Look at how underneath this oak tree here, totally hollowed out from years of, look at that. Those rocks. Places like that are where the nuggets get lodged. To find gold. Although I don't think anybody ever had any luck prospecting back here in Bear Creek. And if they did, they kept their house shut. Said in the history books, there's nothing of it. Going through this poison oak, we're going to adorn ourselves with some protection I acquired. Hey, Mr. White, hold up. Eisenberg. Look at this. Tyvek. Something new to do with your Tyvek suit.
Tyvek, you fun.
Look at, he's got the Tyvek lab coat on. See this? The DuPont Tyvek. Keep the poison oak off us. Got the respirators in the backpack. Going back here and put a good 8 to 12 hours in the lab. We shouldn't have put that lab back here so far.
It's a pain in the ass to cook back here.
See that vine there coming down? It's coming off the vine. That's not coming off the tree. That's coming off that coiled vine. That right there, that branch with no, that right there, the tip of my rod, that's poison oak. It's coming off of that vine that's going up wrapped around. So people confuse that with the actual oak tree. Go ahead and brush against it, and that poison oak is the result. And look at this, in the narrowest part. I've never been back here this far. I don't think. It was dark, so I don't think we've been back this far. Looks like there's water bleeding over there at one time. There's old falls. On the opposite side, there was the same thing. Look at these narrows. Look at this. You got up about 150, 200 feet on either side. Look at all the debris that's fallen down here, though. Not a very safe spot. But it looks like we might have to get wet going through there. Odd to see no trout in a pool of water this big. Okay, it doesn't look like much, but to stay dry, we came across there, jumped down to that boulder, jumped there, couldn't get up that. It was just too slick. So we got on this rock here and used our trekking poles, pole vaulted over here, and then I'll let him take it. And then what did you do?
I grab the rope, the vine. In my country, you grab it like rope and you climb up real easy, real fast, sideways. It's no problem, my friend.
We use 3 branch. Whoa, look at this, recently pulled off the wall. Where? I don't know. A cave!
It looks like a cave, my friend.
It is the Cave of Wonders. We're gonna go check out that cave.
Now, this tree here.
Please note.
Oh, it's a little tiny thing, man. Here, look ahead.
It's not a cave?
It's a hole. It's a whole small cave.
Okay, here's the deal. We're back in another Narrows, and there is no way around this one. It's all too slick or too steep. So if we want to continue, we're going to have to take off everything, hold our packs above us, and try to walk through this cold water barefoot without dropping all my electronics into the water. We're debating on that. Maybe we'll flip a coin. We're only about 3, maybe 4 miles back past the Blair Witch area, and we'd like to go at least double that. So I believe it's going to be a two-headed coin, and I believe we're going that way. Of course, I will not show the crossing, but you ready to get wet? Okay, this guy thought he was smart because he's got the convertible pants, but look at how deep it is, up to almost to his chest. There's a reason you don't see videos back here. It's so narrow, there's no way to get through except water. Now I chose to strip down and go barefoot and keep my clothes and my feet are completely numb. They hurt. It's like fire, it's so cold. It burns, and at one point I was up almost to my chest, holding my pack above me, Vietnam style. Oh man, it's cold, but I've got dry shoes, and if there's any more though, forget it. I'm going getting wet. It's too painful. It's about 6, 7, maybe 8 feet deep there, huh?
Yeah.
It is deep right there, and I don't see any trout. It's weird. This being totally new territory to me, it's really, really exciting. When you come up here, and I want to show you something. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. There's got to be, if there's trout in this river at all, there's got to be, look at that. Looks like a great place to swim, but it is so cold. Whoa! Woo! I almost went down. Oh, that whole rock moved. Look at this. Wow! Dive in. Swim.
Too cold, man.
Look at this. Wow. So we came to an area where there's no way except climbing up this tree. Put your other foot up. I came up, he handed me the packs, now he's coming up. Now look at this. Let me go down here, check this out. Woo! I don't know how I'm gonna get back up here. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Dude, it's like 10 feet deep over here, and this is the deepest one yet. Look at bird's nest right there. Get some fresh eggs. Some mountain goat bacon in the morning. Mountain sheep. What I'm about to show you is 100% natural. We didn't alter it in any way. Dung, 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 dung. Be your own personal Jesus. Someone to make you trout when you are out. Dung, dung, dung. Look at that. Perfect cross. I ought to bring that home to you, Mike. Look at that. Wow. Feeling you get when you're all alone. Flesh and blood by the telephone. Hey, that song gives me an idea for a future video. Look at that. Mana mana. Do 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 do. Mana mana. Do do do. Wow. Look at that. Oh, a new deep record right here. Over 10 feet deep. Some huge trout that exist back here, but we don't see any. What?
So dark you can't even tell how deep they go.
Yeah, I can see it from over here.
Like 15, 12?
Yeah, it's pretty deep. Especially right in that area. Let's hope that big rock holds in place. Been there for 1,000,000 years. Once we step on it, all through the course of this river.
Camera?
Give me your hand.
Give me your hand. Come on, I'm going to pull you up.
Just do it. Okay, coming down through this here. It is hairy.
Oh, fuck me. Alright.
My heart's just barely calming down now. You can do it.
Oh, fuck that. I don't like this, man.
No, kneel down now. Kneel down. Kneel down.
Alright.
No, yeah. There you go.
I think I'm safe. I got a hand grab.
Oh. That was hairy. Getting around this is not as easy as it seems. It's nice. Very nice.
Nice. Very nice.
But look at that. You can see where a whole herd of sheep or something were sleeping here last night. Look at this. It's all pushed down. Look. Perfect. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this. I bet you there were about a dozen here last night. So we're going to sleep right up here. Maybe this is where they hang out in the daytime or nighttime. We're going to hang out, sleep up here, and see if we can come down here in the morning and catch them and ride a couple of them out of here.
That's the best way.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost went down. Look at this. Yes. It is wondrous, no? I think I can get up right there. Whoa, whoa. Oh, maybe not, dude. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't think so. I think we're swimming if we want to continue, and I do. Look at that. Total dead end. Stuff just flakes off. Look at that waterfall there, guys. Oh, look at my leg. We've got the sewing machine going. Sewing machine action. I could cannonball from here safely. Look at that. Now I want to see what's above it, but in order to do that, there's only 6 feet between me and success. And I'm gonna have to swim. Look at that though. Look at this swim hole. That's probably about 7 or 8 feet deep out there, huh? By the falls.
I'm going to try to stay dry.
You look like a chameleon. By the way, when you go hiking with Alan,
Guide me. It's my foot. I'm on it, right?
you're on it, but you're not staying there. Just go in. Stop fighting it. Just go in. Come on.
Oh well. There's nothing to grab.
Oh, yes. It's cold.
Hey, but I only got one leg major. Right on.
This is awesome though. You gotta swim. You gotta swim right here. I'm gonna do a triple front flip right here and do a belly flop. Look at that, raging waters. Hey, sit down right there and ride it. Here's something you guys have never done. Ready for this? You guys watching have never done this. On the other side of the John W. Robinson Falls. Yeah! Look at this. The Bear Creek Falls. I'm on the other side. Look at that. Let's see what's around this corner. Oh. Right on. Oh, I'm on my belly. Get in my belly. Adventure! Ah, yeah! Woo! Yeah. Woo! Look at that. Oh, it looks like it opens up right there. But on the map, it tells me different. I've been studying that map for a few weeks, preparing for this. Ooh, then there's bear. Does a bear poop in the woods? No, it poops in the canyon. I've been studying that map for a few weeks. Get ready for this. And the canyon just gets deeper and deeper, more narrow. Some more bear. Past the middle, and then goes up and hits Eagle's Roost. Now there are some guys that do rappelling, and they rappelled from Eagle's Roost. Took some videos, but they never videotaped this far down. As far as I know, we're possibly the only ones on YouTube. Another first. Look at that. Let's have lunch right here. I got some spaghetti and meat sauce for lunch. We're thinking, we know what those voices were trying to tell me and Robert. Don't stop here. Keep going. You got just a little bit more to go. Oh, nothing to hold on. And look, and you're there. We've reached another impasse. Look at that. Trickling Springs. I dubbed the Trickling Springs. Can't go up and over. Come on, maybe back there. Yeah, maybe. No, maybe back here goes in behind the rock. These leaves are deep. Let's see. I think we can make it. Come up, step on that plant right there on the back side, north side of the plant, then step across this dirt. I found a trail, a game trail. Yeah. Our packs are about a mile and a half back downriver. I'm not too cool with that. I think we've come. That might be it. That might be it, guys. I don't see myself making it down there or up there. This might be it, man. We're up pretty high. We just can't make it out. Wait here, I'm gonna check it out. Oh, it opens up. What? It opens up, you can see, but I think this is as far as we're going on the trail. There's definitely a game trail here though. Definitely. Right here we can get a look. Holy smokes! Look at the size of that pool. You did, because you might have to jump down. More falls. Nowhere near as big, but more falls. More tears. Oh, dude, I can see the pines from up there by Crystal Lake. We're close. Matter of fact, back there's Eagle's Roost. We are close to the end. Whoa, stepped on my shoelace and almost took a header. Look at that. Whoa, look at that down there. Yeah. Hey, man.
Did it.
Right on.
Got it.
Okay, I'm gonna go right there on that rock, get a view of this fall, and then we'll head back. Oh, look at that. That'd be a cool picture up off that rock there. Opposing side. West, east, south, north.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna put my legs back on.
Look at that pool. You got water, putting air into it there. You got wild berries. Look at this, wild berries going all back there. Another fall is up there. Check it out, Gabriel. You got this putting air in here, and I don't see any trout. You got another spring over there too. Look at that, how that funnels down through there. Wow. Look at that. So all berries coming into bloom. And I'm at Trail's End, not because, just because we run out of time and because my packs are about there, about 2 miles back. We're gonna head back. We're gonna hot foot it back. Had a great time. Go back, have lunch, get out tomorrow morning. Mission success. Look at that. There's springs all over here. I took a shortcut like a dog. Climbed right over the rock. Left Gabriel in the weeds. Literally in the weeds. Whoa. A lot of people ask, man, how'd you find that place? Doing crap like this. This is how you find the good places. Oh, it's fun though. But you see how I got poison oak so many times. Dive head first into it. There's our packs. There's our packs. That means we are on Lizard Ridge. Lizard Ridge is underneath us. We gotta backtrack. Look at that. We're back to Lizard Rock. Look at that. Now, I'm going to swim in that bottom pool after we have lunch. 30 seconds after you have lunch, you're supposed to jump in and swim. The digestive process. Cramp. You won't get no stinking cramp. Twilight stove. And I want some spaghetti. I want some spaghetti. Acorn coffee.
You know what this is?
That's acorn coffee. Good stuff. Is that spaghetti good? Nah, I'm waiting. Thank you.
Those who hike with me, take the taste test. The sacred acorn coffee.
I like it.
I'll buy that for $1. It is pretty good. You got the Trangia. Trangia, what is that?
It's a transsexual. Yeah, that's a
Transformer.
Now that's the S-bit version of the Trangia.
S-bit version of the Transia alcohol stove using the 3
Nails.
nails. Hey, after you gonna go for a swim after you eat? Nope. Come on, man. We'll never be back here. I dare you.
Triple dog dare you.
Triple dog dare?
Triple dog dare you.
Oh, okay, this is... Wait, my trekking pole! Get my trekking pole! What was that like?
Ah! It felt good, my friend.
No, no.
Woo! And after dinner, and after lunch. Woo!
Oh shit.
Ah!
Okay. Farewell to the falls. We got about 2 hours of daylight left. We're gonna head south in the river, back to some areas where he can set up his tent. I can hang my hammock. We'll have dinner in a few hours, listen to the voices, and then
Go ahead, Commander.
in the morning, get out. Okay, we made it back. The spot where Robert and I heard the voices. We're standing here and I hear singing. I'm thinking, what the hell? Here we go again. There's his phone alarm in his pocket. What kind of music was that?
Eagles or something? I don't know.
I don't know, but it sounded weird. Anyway, got the one-man Eureka. I do hear somebody up there. I think they're coming down. He's got the Eureka one-man. I got the Hennessy Hyperlight. Jack's a better underquilt. Hammock gear overquilt. My phone and stuff. Pillow. Pistol, knife, and a headlamp, and one of those little lamps. This is where we're sleeping. Everything else I got is in that trash bag right here. Heavy-duty trash bag with a knot on it. Our trekking pole's leaned on it. He's filtering some water through the Sawyer. And it's probably only about 5 o'clock right now, 4:30, 5 o'clock, but it's already getting dark and we're beat, man. We went way back there, huh?
Way back there.
Plus water, wading through that water, that really takes it out of you. Anyway, we're cold. I'm gonna get out of these wet clothes and get in here and warm up. Look at this. He's up through the top, through the screen.
I thought I heard Bigfoot.
No, we did hear something.
That way.
Yeah, exactly. Something walking and then busting a tree, a small tree branch. There's somebody up there, that sounded like, didn't it?
Yeah.
We know there are two guys north of us, about 500 feet. They were chopping some wood earlier.
Yeah.
So, if there's voices, it's going to be in English because we saw them, two young guys. But we heard something to the south. Let me show you what I look like here in this.
Want to pass the camera? I'll get you.
Let's see. There's the zipper. Shine it over here on me. There you go.
How you doing, buddy?
Inside the Hennessy. There's my pants drying there. Down the other side, I got my shirt drying. Got my boots down here on the ground. Okay, there we go. I got my camera in here. And here I got my wallet, my keys, my camera, and my flashlight. It's in the It's in the Ziploc baggie because I had it in my pack in case I dropped it in the river. But there we go. Look at his hammock, his tent with him inside. Look at that.
What's up?
Boots down there. Water right here, reachable. He says he's gonna cook. I am still full from lunch.
Who's got to eat?
You up? You up?
What time is it?
Let's get some breakfast started and pack up and get out of here.
What time is it?
I don't know. First flight. So we didn't hear any voices last night. We did hear some tromping through the woods down here and some small branches breaking. There's some animal walking around. No voices, but right here is where I was hearing the voices last night. This rock, there's nowhere for them to go. And then Robert never hearing them just on the other side of this tree. But this guy sent me. I'll have his name underneath. Got some coffee, some oatmeal. This is for both of us. Cooking with the same system I used yesterday. And slept good last night. In this Hennessy, I actually sleep on my stomach. Doesn't sound possible, but it is possible. Arches your back a bit, you relax. And I slept warm with that underquilt, Jack's better, 850 down, and the 900 down filled overquilt, a hammock gear, pillow. I slept in nothing but socks because all my clothes were wet. I had some dry socks. I slept dry with socks and what gear you see here, and I stayed warm. There's the Denver omelet. Looks pretty good. Some peaches and cream oatmeal and some coffee. The coffee, G7. We're gonna split this. He's making his own coffee. We're gonna split the eggs and split the oatmeal. Breakfast is served, man. There's Gabriel set up. He's got his pack. He's got his light. Canteen. Nalgene. His tent. His cook kit. Sleeping bag. Everything else is in here. And then I have, let's see. I have this paracord here that I keep on my pack. That's the handle on the ULA circuit. Here's the other handle. My camera bag. Here I have a waterproof thing. I keep Excedrin and allergy pills. pockets are empty right now. This side I have my Nalgene. This side I have water bottle.
You ready?
Water bottle and what? Oh, my Sawyer. And,
Cool. I'll get the back. Nalgene. Tyvek.
my camera case, my camera tripod, and my wet clothes, and everything else is inside.
Cool.
Here's the area we're leaving. You get your poison oak growing up here everywhere. Look at all that. It's all poison oak. Look at the poison oak jungle. This is what Robert and I were bushwhacking through. This is why I got it. No moon, pitch black. Had no idea what we were walking through. This is where we camped. Right here's where I had the halibut. So we're out of here. Left a little bit of egg on the rock because there's some birds, believe it or not, nesting underneath this rock. They're just sitting there looking at us. So we're leaving them a little bit of Denver omelet, some John Denver omelet on the egg, on the rock for them. John Denver omelet on the rocks. Gabriel had the lead coming around this hill, and from right there, some quail took off. His pulse went shooting. He didn't know what it was. He goes, "What the hell?" A helicopter took off. That noise it makes. I told him some G.I. Joe helicopter just lifted off.
That was some loud vibrating.
Yeah, they wait till the last minute and they take off.
Oh, that was crazy. I didn't know what it was.
Zoom in, see if you can get his.
My feet right here.
Look at that. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh man, that was crazy.
He just turned around with a shocked look. And said, "What the hell?"
It was like a Huey helicopter.
There's a lot of quail in this area. A lot of tasty quail.
A lot of tasty quail.
Okay, we just came over the crest. The saddle. Up there is, what peak is that? That is Smith Peak. Yeah, Smith Peak. And met those Korean people, and they gave us some M&Ms and energy bars.
Yeah.
It saved us, man. We were hurting.
Yeah,
We were hurting. Anyway, so now we've got to go down. Another 3 miles or so. Wrap the car. Let me show you where we are at this point in the.
Hello.
There's a car. We made it.